this video, we are going to solve more problems involving trigonometric equations. Find all solutions of the equation in the interval from 0 included to 2 pi not included. 2 sine squared x minus cosine x is equal to 1. Write your answers in regions in terms of pi. If there's more than one solution, separate them with commas. Since the equation contains several functions of the same angle, substitute the trigonometric identities to obtain a single function. Recall the Pythagorean identity sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. Isolate sine squared x from here, then sine squared x is equal to 1 minus cosine squared x. Substitute the value instead of sine squared x, then we have 2 multiplied by 1 minus cosine squared x minus cosine x is equal to 1. Distribute the 2 inside the parentheses. 2 minus 2 cosine squared x minus cosine x is equal to 1. Subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. Negative 2 cosine squared x minus cosine x plus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Combine like terms, negative 2 cosine squared x minus cosine x plus 1 is equal to 0. Multiply both sides by negative 1. Two cosine squared x plus cosine x minus 1 is equal to 0. Factor the expression on the left-hand side of the equation. This is trinomial, then 2 cosine x minus 1 multiplied by cosine x plus 1 is equal to 0. Check if you have the correct factor. 2 cosine x times cosine x. It is 2 cosine squared x. 2 cosine x times 1, positive 2 cosine x. Negative 1 times cosine x is negative cosine x. 2 cosine x minus cosine x is positive cosine x. And for the last term, negative 1 times 1, we have negative 1. We have the correct factor. Equate both factors to 0. 2 cosine x minus 1 is equal to 0. And cosine x plus 1 is equal to 0. Let's start with the equation 1. 2 cosine x minus 1 is equal to 0. Isolate 2 cosine x by adding 1 on both sides of the equation. 2 cosine x is equal to 1. Divide both sides by 2. Cosine x is equal to 1/2. Value of x when cosine x is equal to 1/2 is pi over 3. This is your reference angle. Cosine is positive at quadrant 1 and quadrant 4. At quadrant 1, the reference angle is equal to the angle itself. Therefore, the value of x is equal to pi over 3. At quadrant 4, the reference angle formula x prime is equal to 2 pi minus the angle x. Isolate the angle x from here. We have x is equal to 2 pi minus the reference angle x prime. So, x is equal to 2 pi minus pi over 3. Then, at quadrant 4, the angle is equal to pi over 3. For the second equation, cosine x plus 1 is equal to 0. Isolate the cosine x, so subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. Cosine x is equal to negative 1. The value of x when cosine x is equal to negative 1 is pi, which is the quadrantal angle. X is equal to pi. Then the values of x are pi over 3, pi, and 5 pi over 3.